Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the image and importing it into Gemini. First, make sure the app has storage and camera permissions so it can read your photos. This avoids permission errors later. Once done, pick a high-resolution photo because the AI needs detail to produce clean edits. Tap the photo, then select Edit and open AI tools. This immediately loads model presets and enables sliders. You'll now see options for style, strength, and targeted edits. Choose one to start a focused pass. Next, you refine the image with Gemini's targeted and global controls. Use the erase or heal brush on distractions, dialing strength between 0 and 100 so edits look natural. Small strokes work best. Then adjust exposure, color balance, and sharpness to match your intent, and use noise reduction sparingly to preserve texture. If you want a creative shift, enter a short prompt or choose a style preset. Preview toggles let you compare before committing, so you understand the how and why of each adjustment. To finish, export your edit at original resolution and pick JPG or PNG with the quality % you need. This preserves detail for sharing. Make sure to review the history and use undo or revert when something feels overprocessed. This is faster than manual fixes. If artifacts appear, reduce AI strength or lower smoothing to restore natural grain. Finally, save a copy rather than overwrite so you can iterate. That way, you keep the original and the edited file for comparison.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.